How to cancel Super Duolingo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel Super Duolingo. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your Duolingo. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you open up your Duolingo, what you'll need to do is tap on the three dots on the bottom right. After you tap on that, tap on Profile. Now what you'll need to do is tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now after you tap on it, you will see subscription. Now under subscription, if you have chosen a plan, that is your Super Duolingo, you'll simply need to tap on cancel Super Duolingo. After you tap on it, what you'll then need to do is choose a reason why you are canceling your Super Duolingo. And after you do so, simply cancel the subscription. You'll get a final pop-up. And after you do that, you have canceled your Super Duolingo. And that is basically how you do it. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.